if you believe it true. Rejoice, for this is the day the Lord has made. For truth to come and dominate. And there is a new season in the body of Christ, where darkness will people to shake. Hey, where Satan will people to know what, where the devils will be subject to God, as we call upon Him, and Jesus will be old again. Satan fall down from heaven like lightning and thunder, yeah. And we rejoice, for our names is written in the heavens. Oh, to do damage to the kingdom of darkness, and we will rise again, a generation of truth. This is the sound of truth. Ela diamana, feliango leke benene, feli mana, sugali abana.